In this video, I want to quickly talk about OpenAI O3 Mini, released 31st January, so only a few days ago, or was it 6 days ago, 7 days ago to be specific. But nevertheless, what is OpenAI O3 Mini all about? Now, this is essentially the OpenAI's answer to DeepSeek R1. So if you guys didn't know, DeepSeek R1 is an open source reasoning language model currently beating out a lot of different open source models and closed source models. So OpenAI is like, hey, you know what? Let's deploy or actually release something that is equally as competitive, that is less pricier. So, and here is why I think this O3 Mini, although I don't want to sound like an OpenAI fanboy, but I think this OpenAI O3 Mini is a much better reasoning model than DeepSeek R1. Now, what is it? It's a reasoning model that supports function calling, structured output, developer messages, and many different things. Pretty standard stuff. It is available using the API, the standard API. You don't need to have any kind of tiers or anything like that, which is very nice. And of course, if you have ChatGPT Plus and Pro, you can get access to O3 Mini, no problem. Now, looking at the benchmarks over here, it is being competitive to the O1 Preview and O1 Mini, of course, beating out by a few percentage on competition math, and also beating out O1 Preview by a slight margin on PhD level science questions. I don't exactly understand what this really means, PhD level, but okay, there you have it. Lower reasoning effort, and then frontier math, so research level mathematics, and it's doing pretty decent numbers overall. Now, when it comes to coding completion, of course, it is doing extremely well. Now, coding is not really a very difficult problem for various language models to work with because programming problems are typically quite simple to solve, in my opinion. And then you have various software engineering questions, which can be slightly difficult, I believe, but still pretty decent numbers nevertheless, compared to other models. Now, what I really want to focus on in this video, it's more about what the implications are for these type of models. I think these are great models, and I think this could be even more competitive to DeepSeek models, in my opinion, because first of all, people tend to trust OpenAI more than DeepSeek. I don't know why, but people tend to do that. And they tend to give pretty decent discounts on the APIs compared to DeepSeek, especially when you don't want to give away your data to a Chinese company. Now, one thing they have done really well is made the model deliberately aligned. So you don't need to use separate guardrails to be able to control everything. They kind of do it de facto, which is to be expected, of course. And although there is Gemini Flash and many other models that are coming out, I don't think they're equally as good as the OpenAI O3 Mini. But again, that's my opinion. I'm curious to know what you guys think about it. Alright guys, that's a quick video on OpenAI O3 Mini. I hope you found this video insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe and make similar videos like these. Alright guys, hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.